Sea scallops may be a delicacy, but that doesn't mean they're difficult to make at home. I'm gonna show you a simple, easy way to make this delicious sea scallop Cajun pasta. I'm Andrew Zimmern, and this is Seafood Without the Catch. The most important part of this recipe, these stunning dry-packed premium scallops from Hy-Vee.
Hy-Vee spent 3 decades sourcing the best scallops out of the North Atlantic. These scallops can get traced right to the vessel where they were fishing.
Wild caught,
Absolutely wild caught.
shucked on the boat,
Yes.
flash frozen.
Yes. Frozen right on the boat locks in that freshness right then and there. And then when it gets in, we can thaw it out, and it's just like the day it was caught. If you get a scallop that is processed and pumped with chemicals, and then you get one of these, it's night and day difference.
Well, I'm gonna grab a pound of those. I can't wait to get back to my kitchen and start cooking them. Got my pasta water boiling, and I'm going to add roughly a heaping teaspoon for each quart of water in there, so I put 2 in there. If your pasta water tastes like the sea, you're in great shape. All you wanna do is just slowly agitate that. Next step, let's blacken these scallops. So all I'm doing is brushing these tops with butter. And then what we wanna do, we wanna take the rest of our butter, pour it into this pan. I'm gonna take this incredible Creole seasoning from Zatarain's. One side blackening with the seasoning on it is gonna be all that I need. Oh my gosh, does that smell awesome. Give my pasta another stir. Just check how it's doing. My scallops, oh, look at that. We call this blackening, but you can see it's really just dark browning. The key to this is not to flip your scallops too early. What we're looking for is some color change at the base of the scallop that lets me know that the heat has penetrated the outside and is coming up through the scallop itself. So what you wanna do is get that nice blackening on one side, then go about 30, 45 seconds on the other, and you're gonna wind up with a really nice medium rare to medium scallop. And I just pull, I don't know, about a 1/4 cup of pasta water and just set that to the side. And I'm gonna add all of this beautiful scallion, parsley, a nice coarse chop on that is fine. Fresh basil. Roll the leaves together. I'm gonna turn this into little ribbons, little thin slices of basil. Then I've got my thyme. I'm just gonna strip those leaves very carefully. A little bit of chili flake, because we want some heat there. I'm gonna put this all in here. I'm gonna take the garlic on my microplane, because it's literally going to almost liquidize it. If you don't have a microplane, by all means, go ahead and mince it. Please don't use an extruder or a garlic press. It turns your garlic bitter. A little bit of Worcestershire, some heavy cream, and that's not going to take very long to come to a simmer. And we put our pasta in. I'm gonna add maybe 1.5 tablespoons of pasta water to help flavor and thicken my sauce. I want it the texture of cream sauce, and it looks like it's perfect. So we're just gonna put that pasta in the middle of the plate. I'm gonna put 3 of these scallops nestled on top of each portion. A little bit of Parmesan Reggiano is fantastic. Everyone should be able to cook fresh, delicious sea scallops at home. That is so perfect.